Yeah, I'll have one of them as a meal.
Can I have a double sausage McMuffin? Welcome back to the vlog. Today's video, we are at Donington. Yeah, we're helping out here today. Then we're going to pit bike. We're going to be pit biking tomorrow, aren't we, on the pit bikes? But it's very, very wet. But before this video starts, well, I filmed a bit yesterday, so watch that. Right, so I think future Louis has sent you here to have a check up on us. Night before, we're in James's garage getting all the bikes ready, having a look at his KTM. So yeah. So, not sure if I'm going to do this vlog in 2 parts, but me and James are off to BSB. We're helping some people out there. So I thought I might as well film that. We'll go there. Then afterwards, we're staying in a hotel. Then we're going pit bike supermotoing. Not pit bike supermoto night. Probably the first time I've ever done pit biking in the daytime on tarmac. Where are we going?
In the daytime. Probably Stretton.
Stretton or Fat Cats, but probably Stretton. So yeah, that's what we're doing this weekend, just getting everything loaded up and ready. But it's a very, very wet day. It's been pouring down all day, so yeah, it's going to be very wet. And I've only got intermediates, and James has got wet, so...
You haven't even got intermediates, you've got cut slicks.
Yeah, so I think I should invest in some wets as the winter's coming up. So, this is James' little bike collection. But James... As I was doing up my 50, James has been doing up his one. And his looks mega. He's put the original stickers on, has some made. Yeah, it looks mega.
That zoom feature's cool.
Well, that?
Yeah.
I know. And you go out wide and zoom in. It's a new lens. Oh, James's kit room.
Yeah, I know. Really bad wind, James.
Oh.
Right.
This is so nice, this room.
What leathers do you want, Trevor?
Bloody hell, you've got a fair bit.
Bloody stinks, this boy.
Well, I don't mind.
So, we're just about to have a look at mine and James's and Alex's old toy we used to play around on.
The old toy sidecar. It's not really a toy. It's got a 50 engine in. 50 moped engine in. It's tiny, but let's put the fairings on to show you what it actually looks like.
That's right.
Like the video if you want to see us restore this and ride it around.
Jump down the pit.
Yeah, we'll jump it down the pit. We'll maybe take it to a pit bike track if we're allowed and have a go on it.
Oh my god.
I was riding this one, so up there, and the wheel snapped off, the sidecar wheel snapped off, and I went in the hedge.
We've had, to be fair, with the amount of crashes we've had quite a few crashes, and it still looks good in condition. See, James sits in it a bit better.
Yeah, it's a lot smaller than I remember. Yeah, and you used to literally get like that.
I remember we used to ride and just wipe it with our hand. I used to put my head down there.
I think we've got to put a...
So yeah, that's a little couple of clips of what we did yesterday, loading up and stuff. As you can probably tell what we are doing now. Yeah, just parked up and let's head out. But yeah, it's a bit of a rainy one today. Very, very cold and wet. Just missed James' old race, but he used to be Junior Super Sport. But we do actually have to wear masks throughout the whole of our journey, don't we, today? Oh dear. We've made it in, thanks to Hazel. What's our pass? But yeah, it's very cold and wet.
Tasks he's asking to do.
Hello, Joe.
Hello.
How did you get on?
I went quicker than yesterday, but still not amazing, but I'll take it and I'm enjoying riding in the wet.
The bloody paddock is crowded, can hardly walk through here.
Number 11 at McLean's Corner, rider 50, okay, and that was Louis Dutton.
Right, so I'm just walking through a big tunnel now where I don't know where we're going. But I did actually forget, I did delete the intro on today's video, and one of them. But yeah.
Redo it, don't tell them.
No, but it's in the morning.
Redo it in the morning.
We just walked through the tunnel now. Is this where the old motocross track used to be?
Once upon a time.
Once upon a time, the old motocross track used to be here. Roller clip. But yeah, used to be a cool track. James did actually go there, didn't he?
Been there, done it, got the t-shirt.
So while this is happening, I'm going to explain. This used to be the old motocross track over here.
See, last time she didn't see anything.
Just in the cafe, about to watch the big race, and it's been cancelled. It's flooding. So we're in the restaurant at the moment. All the racing has been cancelled. Hazel's just fixed my mask because I had actually broke it, but the next update's at 2, and we've got quite a while till then.
Andrew, give us a debrief on qualifying.
Mega mate. Yeah, boy.
So Louis, how do you like your new electric scooter? I love it.
Okay, so we're off to go to have something to eat. We've just come back from dinner.
Hi everyone.
Going to go to the hotel now. Very, very cold.
Gonna get drunk.
All the racing was cancelled today, so yeah. And let's head off.
Louis driving.
Gotta run for the boss to keep suffering.
The noise and like a
Calling me when I hear my face.
Made it. Time to see the hotel room. Ooh. Snug. James and Hazel, they're upstairs, I think. Wonder where they're in. I do wonder where their room is though. So, just been to James's room, had a look in there. His room's nothing like mine, his is tiny compared to this, so I've managed to get the bigger and better room. He doesn't even have a bath, and I do. So, yeah. Not too sure what to do at the moment, so yeah, I'll update you later. Right, so we are leaving the hotel. Go to this shop. Yeah, I've got it in the back of my phone. So yeah, let's do this.
I'm gonna win.
The next day.
I look very tired. It's quite early in the morning. But I forgot toothpaste, so I'm going to be heading to James's room. What do you want?
hang on a bloody minute.
Right, so just checked out the hotel. Got the basket there. Then I think it's like a 50-minute drive.
Oh no, my leathers. Hi guys, we're not going riding, we're going exploring. Everybody clap your hands.
Just got here. No, not to the place, service station. Gonna get a drink.
Hello.
In the year of 2008, James came to this service station and threw up. Why?
On the way back from Donington Park, Motocross Destination,
I'm good, thank you.
2008. Had too many fruit shoot H2Os. Just there, I was sick many times. What you got?
Food.
it.
That van's so cool. And we go again.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
James.
Yes.
I think we might have made a wrong decision. We've been here, we've watched one lap and there's been 2 crashes.
And there's only 2 bikes out there.
One's a mini moto, and it's been the same guy each go, just washing his front end out.
He's on slicks.
I'm gonna wait till he comes in.
He's fast.
But yeah, we've made it here.
Be a cooler area if it was dry. So that's signed on now and ready to go out. No, 2. Just about to unload the bike, so I'll update you in a bit. Just put my kit on, not kit, leathers, my leather raj. So James is just about to head out, so I guess that means I'm gonna head out. I'll maybe shut the GoPro on for the first session and see what it's like. Just got back in, was pretty dreadful. I was, but yeah, Hazel I think maybe filmed a bit, but yeah, just checking the tire pressures on the bike. It's a bit damp out there, but yes, we'll hopefully stick on the GoPro for next lap. No, next go out. So yeah, I only actually had 11 psi. You're meant to have 20, so that makes a lot of sense of why I felt like I was losing my front end.
You're low in the front as well.
Oh dear. Tyre pressures are all done, so I think I might head out again, but hopefully stick on the GoPro this time. We've just realised let's go out, and I've actually left my GoPro, no, my laptop in the hotel. So we phoned up and they have got it, haven't they? Oh dear.
What an idiot.
So we've got to go back there after riding. I just let James have a quick go on my bike because it didn't sound right. I think you probably can hear it on GoPro, but you're over there and he hasn't come back yet. I think he might have toppled over. So if there's not that much camera footage from the actual camera, it's because it's about to rain soon and we're trying to ride as fast as we can. Try to get out as fast as we can, do as many sessions. My handguards. Oh. And here comes the rain. Doesn't it, Joel?
I mean, it's good for me because I've got wet tyres.
Not for me because I've got
Dry tyre.
cut slicks. We're gonna head out. James is gonna go out, then I'm gonna have a go on his KTM. Then I think we should go home after that, maybe.
It's not what we hoped for.
No, it is flooded.
I think we packed the wrong
Equipment.
the wrong equipment. We should have brought ice skates.
Yeah. I'm gonna have a quick go on James's 85. Might get some footage of it, but yeah, we'll just have a couple of laps because I've never ridden this before. I'm used to riding this on dirt. Nearly all loaded up, then we should head off home. So I haven't actually filmed at all, but we're on the way back home now with me. Nearly home, but the weather is pouring it down. So yeah, really hope you enjoyed today's video. We'll hopefully be doing some more supermotos soon, but I do need to get my tyres sorted, need to get a set of wets. But keep ripping, keep riding, and like, share, subscribe. So yeah.